Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started chapter number 2, relations and functions. In the chapter number 2, we have discussed the Cartesian product of two sets. Now we are going for some extra questions related to these topics, exercise 2.1, and some examples here. Example number 3. The example number 3 is, let set A equals to 1, 2, 3, set B equals to 3, 4, and set C equals to 4, 5, 6. Then find the first A cross B intersection C. The second one, A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. The third one, A cross B union C. And the fourth one, A cross B union A cross C. ધ્યાને રાખજો, ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડમાં ડિફરન્સ શું છે જોઈ લો. A cross B intersection C, that means A cross B intersection A cross C. This is our distributive law. And distributive law is third and fourth. See, in third and fourth, A cross B union A cross C. You can write like A cross B union A cross C. That means the answer of first and second will be same as answer of third and fourth also will be same. This is the distributive law, and આ distributive law આપણે verify with this example. Clear? Now see here, the first one, I am finding A cross B intersection C. For the calculation of first, we have to find A cross B intersection C. First of all, we need B intersection C here. Therefore, find B intersection C first. Therefore, we are getting B intersection C. The intersection of B and C is equals to 4 only. Clear? Now, we have set A, which is equals to 1, 2, 3, and B intersection C, which is only 4. Okay? Now we have to find A cross B intersection C. How can we find A cross B intersection C? So we have to obtain the Cartesian product between A and B intersection C. Therefore, write down the all possible pairs made by set A and B intersection C. Here set A is first, that means after first element always set A નો જ લખવો પડશે. So write down all possible pairs of these two sets. We are getting 1, 4, same as 2, 4, and 3, 4 here. This is our A cross B intersection C. Okay? Now, the second one, the second calculation. In the second, we have to calculate A cross B intersection A cross C. So first of all, we need A cross B. First of all, we need A cross B. Same as we need A cross C also. Find A cross B first. Therefore, we are getting A cross B equals to, here set A equals to 1, 2, 3, set B equals to 3 and 4. Then our A cross B equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4 here, same as 2, 3, 2, 4, and the last one 3, 3 and 3, 4 here. 3, 3 and 3, 4 here. Okay? This is our A cross B. Now find A cross C. Find A cross C. Now what is A cross C? Here A cross C equals to, here set A equals to 1, 2, 3, set C equals to 4, 5 and 6. Therefore our A cross C equals to A cross C. Write down all the elements of A cross C. We are getting 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Modern pair by 1. Same as 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2 6. Now 3 4 3 5 and 3 6. Okay, now see here, A cross B is ready, A cross C is ready. Now find out the intersection of these two sets. This one is set, this one is also set. Now find out the intersection of A cross B and A cross C. What do you mean by intersection? We know that the common elements in A cross B as well as in A cross C. Therefore, we are getting so A cross B and A cross C में common pairs identify करो. So we have the first 1 4 pair is common between A cross B and A cross C. Therefore, I am highlighting this one. Same as we have 2 4 common in between them. And the last one 3 4 is also common between them. Therefore, we can write A cross B intersection A cross C equals to 1 4 2 4 and 3 4 here. Okay, now see, in the first A cross B intersection C 1 4 2 4 and 3 4 are there. Same as A cross B intersection A cross C is also equals to 1 4 2 4 and 3 4. Therefore we can say that this statement equals to this statement. Already we discussed the first and second both are equal because this is the distributive law. Therefore we can say that A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. This is our distributive law. આપણે વેરીફાઈ કરવાનું નથી કર્યું બટ મેં સ્ટીલ કરી દીધું છે. ક્લિયર? તો આપણા દિમાગમાં રહે. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ the third we have to find A cross B union C. For finding A cross B union C, first of all, we need B union C. Find out B union C first. Therefore, we are getting set B equals to 3 4, C equals to 4 5 6. Therefore, we are getting B union C equals to 3 4 5 and 6. Now find A cross B union C. What is A cross B union C? We have set A 1 2 3 and B union C equals to 3 4 5 6. In the set A total 3 elements are there. In the set B union C total 4 elements are there. 4 3s are 12 possible pairs list out करवाना है. चलो 12 possible pairs list out करो. Therefore we are getting 1 3 1 4 1 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Clear? 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 1 6 here. Same way 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Therefore write down 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 2 6. Okay, 4 pairs of 2. And last one, by use of 3 we are getting 3 3 3 4 3 5 and 3 6. Write down the possible pairs by 3 3 3 3 4 3 5 and 3 6. See here, total number of possible pairs equals to 12. Okay, so this is our A cross B union C. Now we want the fourth one is A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. What is A cross B? We have A cross B here and A cross C is here. Write down the all possible pairs, combine કરીને બધી જ possible pairs લખી દો. Okay? Therefore, અને એક ના એક પેર કે સેમ પેર બે વખત લખાય નહીં એવું આપણને ખબર છે કોઈ બી સેટ. તો આપણે રાઈટ ડાઉન કરીએ A cross B union A cross C. Therefore, we are getting 1 3 1 4. Same as 1 5 1 6. હું 1 થી સ્ટાર્ટ થતી જોડે લખી દઉં છું. 1 5 1 6 એટલે આપણે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવામાં ક્લિયર. Same as 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. Clear? And last one by 3. 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Sir 3 4 આવી છે તો 3 4 તો બંનેમાં છે એટલે એક જ વાર લગાય. We are getting 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6 here. Okay? Clear? So this is our A cross B union A cross C. Now see here, A cross B union C is also equals to A cross B union A cross C. Therefore this is also distributive law. આ બી distributive law છે અને distributive law એ write down કરું છું. A cross B union C. That means A cross B. That means A cross B union A cross C here. A cross. Therefore we can write like this. This is our distributive law. Next question. Example number 5. In the example number 5, they are given if R is the set of all real numbers. If R is the set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian products R cross R? Then what do the Cartesian product R cross R and R cross R cross R represent? Now we know that the R is the set of real numbers. There are many infinite real numbers. Many infinite real numbers. So infinite real number set તમારે પહેલા લખવાનું રાઇટ ડાઉન કરવાનું. It is not possible. એ આપણી માટે પોસિબલ જ નથી એટલે આપણે સાઈડ આપને લખતા જ નથી રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરતા તો R ક્રોસ R કેવી રીતે રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરશું? તો એ જ તો ક્વેશ્ચન છે. ઓકે? તો here set R equals to set of real numbers. A set of real numbers, that means I am assuming some variable like x such that x belongs to R. તમે set of real numbers ને આ રીતે જ represent કરી શકો. There is no way to represent the set R. Okay? Now for R cross R, we have to write down the all possible order pairs of real numbers x, y such that x and y must be belongs to R. X and y must be belongs to R. That means x and y are real numbers and we have to write the all possible order pairs here in R cross R. Now this is your two-dimensional geometry. Two-dimensional geometry છે જેમાં x axis y axis ના જેટલા બી કોઓર્ડિનેટ્સ તમે રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરતા કોઓર્ડિનેટ જ્યોમેટ્રીમાં સ્ટડી કર્યા ને આ છે. This is your R cross R અને આ રીતે બી લખાય R2. This is also R2 અને R square ને R2 રીડ થાય. Clear? Same way R cross R cross R. In the R cross R, we have to represent the triplets. The triplets, that means we have to represent triplets x, y, z such that x, y, z must be belongs to real numbers R. Okay? Now R cross R, this is your three-dimensional geometry, 3D geometry. That means in space. તમે સ્પેસમાં જે 3D geometry in 11th and 12th standard માં સ્ટડી કરવાના છો એ ચેપ્ટર્સ માં R cross R આવશે. It is also denoted as R. Okay? This is your three-dimensional geometry. This is your two-dimensional geometry and this is your number line. તમે જે નંબર લાઈન 6 7 8 માં સ્ટડી કરી, this is your number line. Okay? This is your plane and this is your space. Okay? This one is the important thing for geometry. Clear? Now we are going for the next example. Example number 6. If A cross B equals to order pairs PQ, PR, MQ and MR is there. Okay? તમને A cross B ની possible order pairs આપી દીધી છે. Then find set A and B. So we have A cross B. What is A cross B? The A cross B equals to PQ, PR, MQ and MR here. Okay? This is the possible order pairs of A cross B. Now we want to find set A and B. How can we find set A and B? So we know that in A cross B, the first elements must be of set A and the second element of order pair must be lies in set B. Therefore we can write down set A equals to, તો તમારે આ order pairs ના શું કરવાનો, first elements ને collection બનાવવાનો is our set A. Okay, it is our set A. So write down the first elements here. So here first element is P and M. Okay, P M is our set A. Same as for the set B. What is set B? Set B equals to list out all the second elements in order pair. Therefore we are getting Q and R here. Therefore set B is ready. Same question related to example number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 2.1. If A cross B is given AX AY, BX BY, then find A and B. It is very easy. So set A equals to, in A cross B, AX, AY, BX and BY. Therefore set A equals to A and B. List out the first elements of given order pairs. जितना भी given order pairs है ना, first elements list down. Same as set B equals to X and Y here. Okay, so set B and A બંને ready થઈ ગયા છે. Now we are going for the next question, exercise 2.1, question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, then rewrite the given statement correctly. If the statement is false, then we have to rewrite this given statement correctly. Means આપણે true થાય તે ફરીથી લખવાનું છે. એટલે true statement બી આપણને ખબર હોવું જોઈએ. So the first question, if P equals to Mn and Q equals to MM, that means Mn and Mn બોલો તો બિચારા, then P cross Q equals to Mn and Nn. This is true statement or false? So see here, in the set P, total number of elements are 2, same as in set Q, total number of elements are 2. Therefore, number of elements in P cross Q equals to 2 2s are 4. Here 2 order pairs are given, 2 order pairs are missing. Therefore, we can directly say that this is the false statement. This statement is false. Now, correct this statement. The correct statements करो तो P and Q तो given है. Find P cross Q and rewrite the statement. Okay? First of all, I am finding out P cross Q. What is P cross Q? So set P equals to Mn and set Q equals to Nn. Write down the all possible pairs made by P and Q. The first element of P, M, N, same as Mn. Okay? Same N, 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 and N. Okay? Total 4 possible order pairs are there. This is our P cross Q. Now, rewrite this statement correctly. The correct statement is here. If P equals to Mn and Q equals to Nn, then our P cross Q equals to Mn, MM, same as Nn and Nn is that. Okay, તમે આને પહેલા લખો તો બી કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. સેટ્સ માં ગમે તે એલિમેન્ટ્સ ને અરેન્જ કરી શકાય, બટ એક એલિમેન્ટ્સ બે વાર ના આવે એ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. Okay, now we are going for the second question. In the second statement, if A and B are non-empty sets. What do you mean by non-empty sets? The sets which having some elements, non-empty, that means empty ના હોય એવા, એટલે એની પાસે 1 2 3 4 એવા કંઈક એલિમેન્ટ્સ હશે. It consists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite elements in set A. Then A cross B is a non-empty set of order pairs x and y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So we know that this is the definition of A cross B. See here, A cross B is the non-empty set. So A and B be non-empty હોય તો always A cross B must be non-empty sets. બરાબર છે? જો બેમાંથી એક empty set હોય તો A cross B empty set આવે. Clear? But A cross B both are non-empty sets, therefore A cross B must be a non-empty sets and set of order pairs x y such that આ condition જોઈ લેવાની. X belongs to A. The first element set A નો હોવો જોઈએ and second element means y must be belongs to B. That means we can say that this statement is true statement. Okay, તો આ statement હશે true. But true છે તો એને ડિવાઇડ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. Now the third statement is given. In set A equals to 1 2, set B equals to 3 4, then A cross B intersection null set equals to null set. So we know that B intersection null set which is equals to null set, and if we are finding out A cross B intersection null set, what is B intersection null set? This is your null set. Therefore A cross null set, જો તમારો એકાદો સેટ null set એટલે કે empty sets હશે તો એની cross product B empty set એટલે કે null set આવશે. Therefore we can say that this statement is also true statement. This is also true statement. So no need of rewrite this statement here. Okay, now the next one, exercise 2.1, question number 7 is there. Let set A equals to 1 2, set B equals to 1 2 3 and 4, set C equals to 5 6 and set D equals to 5 6 7 8. Then verify that A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. હમણાં જ આપણે આવું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આગળના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં વેરીફાઈ કરી ચૂક્યા. બરાબર છે? તો સેમ આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં બી વેરીફાઈ કરવાનું છે. સેકન્ડ વન, A cross C is the subset of B cross D. So A cross C is the subset of B cross D. એનો મતલબ શું થાય? All the elements of A cross C are in B cross D. એટલે આમાં જેટલી બી ઓર્ડર પેર્સ હશે એ બધી આમાં હોવી જોઈએ. તો એને કહેવાય A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Now for the first verification we have to find A cross B intersection C first. Therefore we need B intersection C first. For the calculation of first we need B intersection C. What is B intersection C? So see here, set B equals to 1 2 3 4, set C equals to 5 and 6. Therefore there is no elements common between B and C. Therefore we can say that B intersection C equals to null set. And A cross B intersection C. Now what is B intersection C? B intersection C is our null set. Therefore A cross null set equals to null set. Clear? Now find out the right hand side. This is our left hand side, result number 1. Now for the right hand side we have to find A cross B as well as A cross C and then intersection. Okay, so now see here, what is A cross B? The side A is there 1 2, side B is there 1 2 3 4. Write down the A cross B. So all possible order pairs made by 1 2 and 1 2 3 4. 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 1 4, same as 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 2 4, 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 2 4. Clear? Now find out A cross C. Set A is here 1 2 and set C is here 5 6. Find out A cross C. What is A cross C? Here 1 5 1 6 1 5 1 6, same as 2 5 and 2 6 here. Okay, this is our A cross C. Now find out the intersection of these two sets. We are getting A cross B intersection A cross C. Common elements between them. જેટલી બી ઓર્ડર પેર્સ કોમન હોય લખી દો. તમે જોઈ શકો છો એક બી ઓર્ડર પેર્સ કોમન દેખાતી નથી. Therefore the intersection of these two sets equals to null set. This is our result number 2. Therefore from result 1 and 2, from result 1 and 2, we can say that A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. Our statement verified. Now we are going for the second. A cross C is the subset of B cross B. So first of all, we need A cross C. So A cross C is here. Then we need B cross D. Set B is here, 1 2 3 4. Set D is here, 5 6 7 8. To find out B cross D here. What is B cross D? All possible order pairs made by B and D. In the set B, total 4 elements are there. In the set D, total 4 elements are there. Therefore 4 4 just 16 order pairs are possible. Write down all these 16 order pairs. We are getting 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8, 1 5 1 6 1 7 and 1 8, same as 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8, 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8. Next one, 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8, 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8, and 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8, 4 5 4 6 4 7 and 4 8 here. Okay, C. A cross C is here, 1 5 1 6 2 5 and 2 6. B cross D is here. Now check all the order pairs of A cross C are in B cross B or not. मतलब क्या चार elements of A cross C B cross D में छह के नहीं check out. 1 5 is there, 1 6 is also there, 2 5 is also there, as well as 2 6 is also there. So all the elements of A cross C are in B cross D. Therefore we can say that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Hence proved. Clear? Thank you very much.